Hi, I'm Kelly at Book and Paper Arts, and today I have a flip through of an art journal that I'm about to retire. So please pull up a cup of tea and join me for some art journal eye candy. If you like journal arts, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure and turn on the notifications, and you will have more of them in your life. I've been working on this book for over 3 years. I don't have much time to work in it, so it's just been page by page. It has grown a little chunky. It's weirdly heavy. And I'm not going to talk too much about the elements of these pages. And that's because I actually have process videos of almost every one of these layouts. So if you would like to see how these pages were made, I have a whole playlist, and I'm going to link to that playlist in the text box below. So you can see each page being made from blank page to layer by layer. I do like this landscape format in a journal. It lets me make a nice big 2-page spread. She asked them questions. This was meant to have a handwritten quote, and I never got there. One has to be careful what one takes when one goes away forever. This was one I made in the first of spring when I needed some yellow. And then this was when autumn came around, and I needed some plum and purples. And again, that was very fall, autumn feeling. And this was going to be the last layout. But you know what? Sometimes a book just tells you when it's finished, and I'm going to leave it like this. If you have any feedback or any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate it, and I love to compare notes. Again, if you would like to see how these pages got made layer by layer, the link to the playlist is in the text box below this video. In that text box, you're also going to find a link to my new online shop, which I am putting on Ko-fi. It's taking a little time, but it's starting to get some pieces in there. And you'll also find a link on Ko-fi where you can support this channel and these videos. Join me tomorrow. I have a new art tutorial. Happy making!